Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious interference. Install Windows and GPU updates, then restart. Once done, run the simulator as administrator to grant full permissions. Make sure to verify game files through Steam or the Xbox app to repair corrupted files. Also, close overlays, recording apps, and heavy background processes so the simulator gets maximum resources. These steps remove common software conflicts quickly and prepare the game for deeper fixes without wasting time on repetitive restarts. Next, focus on drivers and in-game settings because crashes often stem from GPU issues. Update drivers normally or use them to fully clean previous drivers before reinstalling. Then, lower demanding graphics, reduce render scaling, terrain and shadow quality, and disable excessive AI traffic to cut CPU/GPU load. Once done, enable VSync or a conservative frame limit to prevent unstable frame pacing. Make sure the game targets your dedicated GPU in system graphics settings to avoid fallback to weaker integrated graphics. Finally, isolate mods and persistent caches. Move everything out of the community folder and test the base game. Many crashes vanish when an add-on is faulty. Next, clear or relocate the rolling cache to a faster drive or set a modest size so disk I/O doesn't stall the sim. If problems persist, repair or reinstall the simulator and test under a clean Windows profile. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes continue, check Windows Event Viewer for faulting modules and search for that specific DLL or driver name.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.